Hello, and welcome to Cube Master, a channel where we turn pictures into art by using Rubik's cubes. This is my first portrait ever, and my first YouTube video, and I'm sort of a newbie, like this monkey here. I hope you'll enjoy it. Today, I'll try to turn a picture of my friend, you can see on the screen, into a portrait using approximately 450 cubes. So let's begin. Now, hopefully this is interesting and not boring, but if you find yourself like this girl here, I just want to tell you this is taking me much longer than it looks. I'm about halfway in, and it took me about 2 hours to get here. And while I'm sweating here and working hard, you're staring into your phone and enjoying, hopefully. Wow, that feels great. I gotta fix some of my camera angles, but other than that, pretty good first try. After about 4.5 hours of working non-stop, I'm hungry as a lion, if only lions liked sweets. Now I'm gonna go get some dessert. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, like, share, subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.